So here's the hole in my 0G Apex hose. I'm going to cut away at that and see what I can do with the liner. Okay, now we've cut away at it and we can obviously see the hole right there. I haven't figured out what I'm going to do about that yet, but we'll get there. So we just took some vinyl pool repair kit. It's this high-powered, don't smell this stuff. Vinyl mending, because it looks kind of like a vinyl plastic rubber. And some of this stuff I cut away. And I slipped a little patch of this over the hole, pounded it with the vinyl glue, whatever it is. I'm going to let that set up and dry. And then I'll just tape the heck out of the outside of it and see what happens. Alright, so this is the last stage. After I let the vinyl repair patch dry on the hole in the hose, then I got some of this Now You Can Fix Anything repair tape, which is awesome stuff. And I wrapped the whole repair area, as you can see, with it. First I taped off down here and crimped it, and then I filled it up with air. Just blew into it with my mouth to fill the hose up for a little bit of pressure, and then I gently wrapped this protective layer around it, let it dry overnight, fired it up this morning, and I'll tell you, at full pressure it's not leaking a drop. I have successfully repaired my 0G hose. How about that? But this, I probably got about $10–11 total in the repair. Well worth it for a $50 hose that's 100 foot in length. So I hope you like these suggestions. It worked for me. I'm sure it can work for you. And have a great day.